Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to play a super fun game of cat and mouse. It's a simulation game where one player is the cat and the other player is the mouse. The cat has to catch the mouse while the mouse tries to avoid getting caught. So let's get started. To start, we will use object-oriented programming concepts to define classes and create our objects. Here we have the chat class for cat, cerise for mouse, and grain for mice written in French because I wanted to code in this language. In this video, I will summarize the concept of object-oriented programming. However, if you want to know more or if you want me to make more videos on this topic, please let me know in the comments. So, we define our classes simply. We start with chat. Here, we create a constructor that will allow us to define our attributes. The attributes here are duration, sex, gender, position, and appearance. Duration because at a certain duration, we must make the cat die if it has not eaten anything, and if it eats, we must increase its life. This is where the code you see comes from. Then, we do the same thing with cerise and grain, and we have completed the realization of our classes. After doing all of this, we need to define our workspace. Essentially, this involves creating a list with 20 rows and 20 columns. What I do is I move to zone 79 in my list, create a line break, then increment by 80 and repeat the same process until I finish defining my workspace. It's a clever trick that works, and the rest is just decoration. Firstly, we initialize the counters for cats and mice to 5 because at the beginning of the game, these objects are initially 5, and we will use this to generate statistics. In a while loop, we successively display our playing area n number of times, and then we display the boundaries again. The most significant work will be at the level of the conditions for an object to die or gain lifespan. Then we check if the player is redirected to another position at random when they reach the end position of the table. We will perform this work for the mice and also for the corn. I will share the code to help you understand it, and if you have any questions at any level, leave them in the comments. To generate statistics, we proceed as follows. Each time an object's lifespan reaches 0, then we remove it and decrement the count of that object. Above, we have a cat counter and a mouse counter. Those are the ones we manipulate. The rest is just pure object manipulation. Thank you for sticking around until the end. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in this type of development, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a big thumbs up. Thank you again, and see you soon.